Hello everyone. The entrepreneur we choose is the couple who came from zero to be hero. Shakti Masala Company, the queen of spices, as the household name among the millions today. The founder of the company was a small-time turmeric trader from a village called Perundurai near Erode. Later, he entered into the arena of pure spice powders like turmeric, chili, and coriander. His inquisitiveness led him to enter into the masala world without any fear. In early stages, no one in Tamil Nadu will cook their food without their homemade spices. But after this company's existence, no one in Tamil Nadu will be able to cook their food very quick without this company's existence. Yes, this is the company and it is the hard work of a couple who made our cooking process into a very easy manner. It's none other than Mr. P.C. Duraisamy and his wife Shanti Duraisamy, who have made their vulnerable efforts to reach this position. In 1975, in a poor town Erode, both started their journey. That was the time where technology was not well developed. Both of them were in a very poor condition that they can't afford a motor vehicle to run their business. Actually, Mr. P.C. Duraisamy aim was to become a police officer to serve people, but he can't achieve his dream. After marriage, the couple used their gold jewelry, which came as a dowry, to start their turmeric powder factory. This factory's total investment is just 10,000 rupees and within the space of just 300 square feet. Initially, Mr. P.C. Duraisamy used to sell his turmeric powder through cycles. Their diligence and endless effort made their company achieve this feat of success. Now, Shakti Masala Company grown into a feat that is no one in and around Tamil Nadu or without a single packet of Shakti Masala in their house. Now, Shakti Masala Company has a total space of 30 acres and more than 1,000 workers working in it. And it has a turnover of more than 350 crores in a year.
Now, they have introduced more than 50 varieties of masala products and powders to the public. Within 2 years of starting the business, they offered jobs to the women in the rural areas and the handicapped people who cannot work in other companies. The greatest challenge is to make the product reaches to every customer who actually don't believe in the processed and the packaged food products. But so then they have overcome the obstacles by creating a trustable bond called Sakti Masala. It has its unique name because of its traditional taste and aroma. Now, Sakti Masala has been used in every restaurants, hotels, and hostels, and moreover in every house. From a small town in Europe to many parts of the world like Canada, US, UK, Singapore, Kuwait, Muscat, Australia, New Zealand, Sakti Masala has come a very long way.
Despite their greatest achievements, Mr. and Mrs. Duraisamy has always been keen to be very simple in their life. Mr. Duraisamy's dream of serving people came true when they set up their first charitable trust in 2019 under Shakti Devi Charitable Trust. Also, they run Shakti Rehabilitation Center for drug addicted people and Shakti Devi Hospital, which serves freely for poor and needy people, and also Shakti Devi School, which provides free education for 14 years. Because of this service, Mr. and Mrs. Doraisamy got Mother Teresa Award from Loyola Institute in the year 2012 and National Quality Award from Rajiv Gandhi for their greatest quality products. Shakti Groups donated 1 crore rupee in the year 2015 for the flood relief fund. This mindset and helping tendency paved the way for the achievements and success of Shakti Groups.